कॉफी मोकला है। पीछे में ऐसा है H&M का सामान। How it works on my skin. Double XL. Welcome back everyone. So Amazon का unboxing करने से पहले I'm gonna do this mini unboxing. This is from Savannah and H&M. बहन का और मेरा भी सामान है यहाँ पे. So I'm gonna start off with stuff that my sis got. Okay, Myntra. हाई वेस्ट ट्राउजर्स बहुत सुंदर है, सेल पे मिला है, सो क्वालिटी इज सो गुड. नेक्स्ट पार्ट दिस इज फ्रॉम सवाना. मुझे भी लेने का मन था लेकिन मैंने नहीं लिया. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट डे माय सिस शी गॉट इट. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू रिव्यू इट. द पैकेजिंग इज सो गुड. वाओ, लाइक लिटरली फ्रंट पे ऐसा है एंड पीछे में ऐसा है, बढ़िया है. एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज दिस स्ट्रैप. And this strap is also there, so you can just, do this side back kind of thing. Strap थोड़ा पतला है, yeah. And strap को remove भी कर सकते हैं, like the strap is removable. यहाँ पे एक ये है, so you guys can remove the strap. Space भी बहुत बढ़िया है. You guys can fit a lot of stuffs inside this bag. Different colors is also available, but this color is the best, trending वाला color. I'm not gonna buy it, but मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. The link will be given down below. I'm done with my sis का unboxing. Just wanted to show you guys the honest review. बहुत बढ़िया है. I mean the quality is good. The links will be given down below. मेरा बस एक ही सामान है from H&M. First H&M का purchase, zipped hoodie. Bit disappointed. This thing is also from Amazon. This thing is also from H&M. This belongs to my elder sis, and I think she bought this, like I don't know, maybe 5 to 6 years back. And the quality बहुत अच्छा है, like मोटा है and then अच्छा है. But आजकल का H&M का सामान, it's like quality is थोड़ा degrade हो रहा है ना. Trouser. I don't know size का क्या लोचा है. H&M का sometimes large होते हैं मुझे, and sometimes medium होते हैं, and sometimes small भी होते हैं. So I don't understand what's wrong with this sizing का thing. This is in the size medium. Should I get a small one? क्योंकि ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा दिख रहा है, but I don't want to waste my time exchanging stuffs and all. So this is what I got, and quality ठीक ठाक है. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks on me. Okay, honestly not bad. What do you guys think? Not bad ना. थोड़ा बड़ा है, but it's really comfortable. Hope you all enjoyed H&M Savannah का unboxing. सोचा नहीं था that I'll be doing this, लेकिन सामान जल्दी आ गया, so I just had to film it and review it so that you guys can just check it out and then order stuffs. I'll be waiting for Amazon's parcel, and उसके बाद मैं Amazon का honest review करूँगी. So this is it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome back everyone. So it's the next part of the vlog, which I'm gonna be unboxing the Amazon parcel that I got for myself. Ôi, coffee मोकला nhầm. Shit, man. I've been wanting to get all of these stuffs. I've been like waiting for this moment, and finally वो time आ गया है, and let's start the unboxing. बहन का birthday gift है, birthday celebration सब हो चुका है, लेकिन ये late delivery हुआ, so I just wanted to unbox and show you guys what I got for my sis. She loves aesthetic stuffs. Whoa, Ambo, so heavy nyam. Hey, so cute. Ambo, she's gonna love it. Wow, it looks more pretty in like real. Camera पे तो it's looking small and उतना अच्छा color भी नहीं दिख रहा है, but in real, see. Wow. The link will be given down below. This is from Meesho, and various colors were also available, so you guys can check that out. Time has come to unbox the main package from Amazon. Wow. Wow. Actually, this is my first time purchasing itna zyada saman from Amazon. Let's get started with the first product. We got this This is serum, hyaluronic acid serum. I'm at my mid 20s and I feel like it's better to take care of your skin as early as possible. I feel like mujhe, I need to use this serum and all kyunki abhi it's high time for me to do that. Mujhe personally also I wanted to take care of my skin and just, do this extra self-care routine, and for that I had to get this one. 220 something में लिया है. So wow, इतना छोटा है guys, देखो ना, so cute. I'll try it and I'll let you guys know how it works on my skin, okay? MRP it's 529, 50% से भी कम उसमें डिस्काउंट में मिला है. So पता नहीं अभी वो सेल है कि नहीं है, but I'm gonna give it a try. Wow. All right, so the next product that I got is this one, sunscreen. You guys wouldn't believe it, but honestly, this is my 12th purchase from Amazon. And पता नहीं मेरे skin पे it really works. But yes, इसका like white cast थोड़ा दिखाई देते हैं, and like सफेद वाला थोड़ा it's visible, but it really works on my skin. So personally मेरे लिए like ये sunscreen अच्छा है. For the past 4 years I've been using this and I have dry skin, so I want my SPF to be moisturizing and all. I'm like thinking to change my sunscreen, so if you guys have any idea, do comment down below. And yes, this is what I got. This is the sanitary pad that I have been using for the past 2 years. Cotton का ही होना चाहिए. I'll show you guys, okay? Cotton type here, if you want a budget friendly pad. Whisper and all, they are quite pricier and I feel like they don't hold too much of this leakage and all. Ye wala size bhi bada hai, it is double XL and 80 pads I'm getting for 300 something. So if you guys do want to try, and you guys can just check it for yourself. Agar aap logo ko you don't feel comfortable, you don't like it, then it's up to you. But personally, I recommend you guys to give it a try. I just wanted to let y'all know that there are better options available at better prices. The next product, so cute, 100 milliliter, ये सब set है. So I wanted to get this one, but कौन देगा इतना ज़्यादा पैसा? So I just gave up. Body oil लिया. I just wanted to add this extra body oil in my routine, shower routine. It smells good. Smells good. I'm gonna give a thumbs up. So अगर आप लोगों को purchase करना है तो you guys can purchase it. The link will be given down below. The fifth product we got is Livon hair serum. I got it on sale again. Straight किया हुआ बाल है, so obviously it needs some extra care. So serum तो लेना ही है जैसे भी करने से. So ले लिया. What do we got? So this is the sixth product. Vaseline का भी है, the same thing, but Vaseline का again थोड़ा pricier है, and I don't want to spend इतना ज़्यादा on moisturizer and all. So this is alternative. Hilly areas का sun इतना like we get tan easily, and I get a lot of tan easily. SPF का moisturizer and reviews अच्छा है, like it really works on my skin, so I hope it works on your skin too. This moisturizer brightens your skin also. Skin को थोड़ा सफ़ेद कराते हैं शायद से क्योंकि मैंने ट्राई किया है. I've tried on my arms and all, and it removes tan also, but you have to use it constantly, like after shower and all you have to use it. So that's the honest review of this product, and if you guys want to try it, the link will be given down below. And this is not sponsored, so yeah, this is not sponsored honestly. Sponsor करने के लिए तो अभी बहुत ही time है. And the last product, this is the seventh product, Rexona ka body roller. You don't want to smell bad. Even if you smell also, okay, you need to take care of it. Any company ka body roll on should be added to your self-care routine, because smelling bad is really bad. So this is going to be the last product aaj ke liye. And the best purchase of the day, the best purchase is this one. मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया. I'm in love with this ceramic coffee cup. I think I'm gonna get one for myself as well. You never know. If you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video, do give a thumbs up, do give a comment. A quick behind the scenes, I got my ring light on, and you know what? Videos banana is not an easy task. Saaf safai karke I have to clean it up. So I'll see you guys in the next part of the vlog. Bye.